Hello, welcome to my channel. Mimi here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm on my front porch and I'm going to start working on my front yard that's right off of my porch. And I'm going to show you what I did with this thrifted item. It was black once upon a time. I spray painted it twice with white, and then I came in with a coat of finish of some acrylic to help it stand up to the elements because I'm going to use it outside as part of my decoration in my yard. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So come on. Let's go. So first things first, of course, I'm prepping the soil in this large white pot that I have in front of my yard. It already has a lot of dirt in there, so it definitely is not going to go anywhere. And I'm just using some of the potting soil from a pot from last year, and I'm just putting that all down in there and making sure that I take any of the roots that were down in there, taking those out, cleaning everything out. And so now it is all ready for me to go to the next step, which is to add some water to that soil so that I can get it nice and ready for the flowers that I'm going to add. Now, one thing I want you to kind of look at is those branches that are hanging down on that tree. That is the tree that sits in my front yard right off my porch, and what I am also going to do is go in and cut those because I don't want those to get down into the ground and start to root and start to grow. I don't know how it would even look, but it needs a haircut, and I'm going to give that to it, and I'll come back and show you how that looks when I'm done with all of my outdoor porch work. So now I'm adding in some wave petunias in there. And the thing that I like about wave petunias is because it's going to come over and drape over the planter and give it a very nice look. I'm also adding a purple one to give it some contrast to the planter. And then I'm going to come in with a green plant that is going to vine over as well. It's very similar to the sweet potato vine. Its leaves are a little bit thicker, so it is a little bit more hardier than the sweet potato vine, but it's certainly going to give me the look that I want on this planter. And it's such a beautiful day to work out in my yard. The weather is not too hot, not too cool. It's just perfect. The wind is blowing and I can hear the birds chirping. With our Midwest weather here, it's really kind of hit or miss. And so having a few days straight in a row with some nice cool weather to work out in the yard is certainly a good thing to do, and I am taking advantage of it. Next step I'm going to do is come back in and water that, give it some more water for the plants. And then the other thing that I did, I was working in there to kind of make sure that I had some room in there where I can add my, what I'm going to call my water feature. In this case with my thrifted item to help decorate that vase. And there it is right there. So I'm just putting it right down in that space and making sure that that's going to sit straight up in there. And as the flowers start to grow, I'll find another flower pot that I can use to help elevate that up some more. But that's how I have it in there right now. And then the next thing that I'm going to do once I am done with that is I'm going to add just a thrifted candle holder, blue, real pretty. I'm also going to add some LED powered lights that I got from the Dollar Tree. They are waterproof and they are just amazing. They come two in a pack, and I've used them for other projects as well. And now I'm going to add some water in there. That's the next step for this project. And then once I get the water in there, get everything all cleaned off, I'm going to turn on the light. It does have a remote control, and it can change to a lot of different colors. I'm going to make mine blue for this, but you can change it to different colors. You can have it kind of strobe. You can have a white light in there. So it is really a nice Dollar Tree find that I got. And this is how it looks. I did go ahead and clean up a little bit more and added some mulch so it'll be nice and neat for you. Can't wait till I finish the rest of it. I just love thrifting. It is just a joy for me to thrift and reuse and repurpose things in my house and around my yard. And I hope that you like this, that you subscribe to my channel and come back to see some more of my thrifting ideas, and come back and see my final porch reveal once I'm done cleaning everything up and adding all of the florals. And this is how it looks at night. It is just absolutely gorgeous, just beautiful and stunning as it sits out in my yard. Well, thank you for joining me once again. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and keep coming back. And as always, whatever you do and wherever you go, be blessed.